Today, we will be talking about how to use baking soda. Baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a type of salt that often comes in the form of a white powder. Because baking soda is edible and environmentally friendly, many people like to use it around the house in place of commercial cleaners. Firstly, cleaning with baking soda. Make an all-purpose spray cleaner for the house. 2. Make a tougher scrubbing paste for multi-purpose cleaning. 3. Use baking soda to absorb grease and oil spills. 4. Boost your laundry detergent. Baking soda can get your laundry cleaner by cutting grease, whitening, and eliminating odors. 5. Deodorizing with baking soda. Deodorize small areas with an open box of baking soda. 6. Absorb smells from upholstery and carpeting. Sprinkle liberal amounts of baking soda on the furniture floor. 7. Make appliances in bins smell better. You can also sprinkle baking soda directly on smelly objects and appliances to improve their odor. 8. Absorb smells from personal items. Because baking soda is non-toxic and safe to consume. 9. Using baking soda for personal care. Rinse your mouth and freshen your breath. 10. Clean brushes and combs. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 11. Add it to the bath to soothe and soften skin. Small amounts of baking soda can be dissolved in water to help soften skin and evenly. 12. Using baking soda in cooking and baking. Add 1 teaspoon to baked goods to help them rise and spread. 13. Neutralize the acidity in foods. The alkaline nature of baking soda will cut the acidity in foods that have too much acid. 14. Make your own baking powder in a pinch. You can make your own baking powder by combining 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 15. Scrub fruits and vegetables. Wet your produce with a small amount of water and sprinkle baking soda over the skin.